Alright, so I'm so excited. This is like, I think what I do best. I love dogs, I love puppies, and this is called Pick a Puppy. So this is a brand new show, shooting the commercial and the photo shoot today for it.
I didn't wake up thinking I would fall in love today. No, I didn't think about it at all. It never crossed my mind that it would feel different this time. What did you do, boy? What did you change? See you when I close my eyes. And who picked you to be on my mind? Catch me when I fall. Am I gonna find it was you?